This is the emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation orders in the EAS operating handbook for a national or local level emergency. The President will speak on all stations shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt your programming with a global emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert as this pertains to an ongoing global crisis. I hate to say something horrifying this Thanksgiving Day, but unfortunately, our world is coming to an end. At around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NASA discovered a planet known as Planet X, or Nibiru, out in the solar system. This planet had been knocked off course due to an unknown cause, and is heading on a direct collision course towards the Earth. Nibiru is approximately 4 times the size of Earth, and will make impact with our planet in the next 90 minutes. There is nothing that can be done to prevent Nibiru from impacting Earth, and resulting in the extinction of all life on Earth. Nibiru is too large, and too close to Earth, to deflect or destroy using nuclear missiles. When Nibiru impacts the Earth, an ear-splitting bang will occur, followed by a blindly bright flash and unprecedentedly violent shaking. A large fire will battle through the Earth, incinerating anything that it touches, and turning the Earth into a massive fireball. Supervolcanoes laying dormant for millennia will erupt. Shatterquakes with a magnitude of 10.0 or higher on Richter scale will occur. Colossal megatsunamis of about 10,000 feet will form, wiping off every coastline, and the vaporous rock will block the sun for approximately 100 to 250 years. Earth will be pushed out of its orbit and Kessler syndrome will take place after the impact occurs. All life on Earth will perish when this happens. Humanity is experiencing its imminent demise. Planet Earth is about to be destroyed by a massive celestial object. There is no way to survive this event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. All residents of the United States, and the rest of the world, no matter where you are, gather with your family, friends and other things that make you comfortable, and prepare for the end. If you are religious, pray to your higher being or beings and repent. Do whatever makes you comfortable and happy. Do not tell younger children about this event, and ensure their well-being during these dark times. I have selected a quote from the Bible, to be read on the air. 2 Corinthians 4:18. So we fix our eyes, not on what is seen, but on what is unseen, since what is seen is temporary, but what is unseen is eternal. This station will sign off for the final time with our national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system. Goodbye forever. May God help us all.